Edgar Joseph and married Josephine.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, second, name the celebrity who Marriott danced for, and also name the dance. Put your hand up if you know.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct. And what was the dance? No, it was Bharatnatyam. Right. Really got one. Okay. So you get
I get one, he gets one.
Okay, one. Okay, let's be fair. Okay. Next, which is Marriott's favorite fruit? And name the variety too.
Mango, I guess. Alfonso mango.
Who said banana?
Which banana?
Banana variety.
Kadoli.
Ah, correct.
No,
Easy variety.
No.
not Kadoli.
ಮೈಸೂರು
Yelaki.
Yeah, lucky, correct.
ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಬಾಳೆಗೆ
Okay, Navina gets a point.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, how many siblings did she have and all? That everybody knows. Tell fast.
Eight. And
1 point. Name the car that Marriott drove when she first learned to drive. Ford. Ford, correct. Whoever answers first.
Model. Ford what?
Ford. Which model? You don't know about Ford. Yes.
my brothers don't know. Brothers are told not to answer.
1950.
Nobody else.
1946.
Model.
Ford Deluxe.
Yes, correct.
No, Premier Elegant. No. Ford Deluxe. Okay, correct. Very good.
Ford 61.
No, I myself don't know the answer. She has to tell.
Ford Deluxe.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಡಿಲಕ್ಸ್
Okay, name the items placed next to a bedside table, always at hand. More the items named, the better. Just guess.
Kerchief. Forks.
Her keys, her specs.
What?
Phone, keys, specs, and a medicine.
Kerchief.
Rosary.
Kerchief.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
Kerchief.
No.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
Kerchief.
Chief, yes, one right.
Correct.
You can name some more.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
Correct.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
Anyone else?
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಪನ್ನೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
But as hard as nails. That's what Marriott, my wife, is. She gets away every time. She's looking at me because she says she remembers 1 or 2 incidents where I got the better of her. Anyway, 25 years in Bangalore, followed by 50 years in Bombay, and now we return back to our, what will I say, motherland or the place of our birth, Bangalore.
Neetu was born in Mangalore. Edgar was born in Mangalore.
I thank all of you for coming today and to say I hope that in the years to come as we grow up in age, you all will be there to help us. Thank you.
We both took a liking to each other from then on, also with Edgar's good companionship and blessings and help success. We organized everything for our wedding. Thank you so much, we can never forget it. I wish you all the best in the years to come. Thank you.
You don't get out.
Yes.
Thank you. And anyone else?
Mangalore, they always painted the town pink. Kasturi, Amrit, and of course my dear sister Mari. Marriott's family, the Lobos, have been very close to us Noronas, and we were like one family. And Marriott and I were always petite in size and look, so we were always called sisters, and it continues to be so. Marriott, on this platinum jubilee of yours, I wish you, on behalf of my whole family, all the very best, lots of love, and we continue to be ever loving to the both families. All the best, Marriott, and I wish you lots and lots of good health.
Thank you, thank you.
Few excerpts of sentiments or words of honor, as I like to call them, because this tribute I had offered as my gift to Marriott on her special day. Congratulations on your 75 years of a well-lived life. May I start with a nautical reference as a connect to Edgar. You have sailed the seas through sunny skies, bright with joy and promise. There have been clouds of somber hues as also upheavals of the stormy seas. Ships are not created for remaining fixed and secure in a harbor in fair weather, but to sail and experience the myriad moods of the sea. So you too, dear Marriott, have been exposed to the changing realities, but you have overcome. I join in the thanksgiving for the buoyancy and excitement of your early years, your bond with your grandmother, parents, siblings, large family here in Mangalore. Then came the carefree days of school and college, followed soon after by the settling down times of marriage, motherhood, running to a high standard of efficiency, your home in Sarita, and extending the warmth and generosity of hospitality together with Edgar to all who visited. Maturing brought upbringing and education of Manita, Veena, Vivek, successfully settling them in their careers and on the stage of their own lives with their spouses and children. And Marriott, you can look back in satisfaction to their relocation in Australia, the US, and America. UK. Australia, the US, and the UK. The decades of life and living bring a series of transitions and changes from comfort zone to challenge zone and back and forth through good times and the not so good ones. But what has my enduring admiration is what in you has never changed is your good nature, your affectionate, cheerful and caring ways. I am here to offer Marriott the gift of my presence and to represent our Silva family, and I speak today to acknowledge that Marriott is indeed an asset and a valued person to all our 3 generations, Carol and me, our children and our grandchildren. On a personal level, thank you for the closeness between us as sisters for over the years. It's reciprocal relationship, being there for each other to support, listen to and lean on. Disagreements, of course, all relationships of depth have to have them. But what's important is to quickly get over them and move on. Today, I applaud you for standing up, strong and brave and resilient and articulate. Cheers to that. And cheers to that. Good wishes and God's blessings as you and Edgar start a new phase of your life in Gondel, close to all the family here who will now love you and cherish you and support you. And let me have the final word, because I have been there and done that. May you and Edgar live together in adjustment and accommodation, compromise and cooperation in the years ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, Mana.